Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm starting off with this beautiful pink nail polish from Shai's World. I apply one coat. It's called Sweetheart. After applying a second coat, I apply a clear top coat. Now I'm ready to stamp. I'll use my Bundle Monster stamping plate BM-XL324 from the Kawaii Emoji collection. The red polish I'm using is Hansen and it's called Let's Jam. I pick up two images and I fill them in with my white Funky Fingers nail polish called Gesso. Once they're dry, I can apply them directly onto my nails. And I finish off with Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. The manicure is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!